Today I bought my very first gimbal camera and it's the Luna Ultra from Insta360. I have seen so many nice things about it so far and I wasn't even planning to buy this particular gimbal camera. What sold me is the detachable that you can use as a remote or as a microphone. This is just a unique selling point no other gimbal camera got on the market so far. And I mean, look at it. It looks like Wall-E. It's so freaking cute. I mean, it's not the only reason why I've chosen it, but it is definitely one reason. I cannot lie. I can't lie. But first, let's start unboxing. Okay. It comes in this case. Wow, it smells brand new. It better is. There you got everything. I mean, that's cool. It seems to be really robust. And the nice thing that I've seen is you can put like filters in the case. That's really convenient. Should I try to turn it on? I think I should try it. Okay. It's like really like Wall-E's looking at you. It's so cute. So this is what is in the box. It's the Luna, it's the case, the Insta360 mic and cable for charging, like the a lens adapter like to have an ultra wide angle. Then there's also an additional battery, so you got longer battery, and like a little stand with a mini tripod actually. So some facts about the Luna Ultra and why I decided to choose it as my first gimbal camera. So the first point is it is a dual camera system with a 20mm and 60mm lens, and it is possible to zoom up to 240mm, like digital zoom of course, but that's really nice. It got the detachable screen with a microphone integrated, and I can shoot an iLog with 10-bit, so I can color grade to my liking. And what is really cool is that you got a built-in storage of 47GB. I've already also ordered some accessories for the Luna, and what I've got is an ND filter, a clamp, so I can like put it in nice perspectives, and a magnet. I mean, obviously I have to test it out and like set it up, learn how to use it, because I've never worked with a gimbal camera before. I have the feeling I've made the right choice with this tiny thing here. Okay, let's turn it off. So keep creating and keep dreaming.